Have you ever felt a lingering fear, a nagging suspicion that you're being watched or followed, but you can't quite put your finger on why? This could be more than just paranoia. This could be a phenomenon known as gang stalking. Gang stalking is a serious crime, often covert and difficult to prove. But fear not, there are clear, manageable steps to deal with it, to protect yourself and gather evidence if you suspect you're a victim. First and foremost, it's crucial to keep a meticulous record. Document every incident, noting dates, times, and details. If it's safe to do so, gather visual evidence like photos or videos. This collection of information will lend credibility to your claims, should you decide to report the stalking to authorities. Next, always trust your instincts. If you feel watched or followed, trust that feeling. Stay vigilant, be aware of your surroundings, and if you can, vary your daily routines. Keeping potential stalkers guessing will make it more challenging for them to track your movements. Also, take the time to strengthen your security. Secure your home, change your locks, and install security cameras. Consider using an anonymous phone number or email address. Making it difficult for stalkers to access your personal information is a step towards safety. And don't forget, you're not alone. Seek support. Speak with trusted friends or family about your situation. Seek professional help if feelings of anxiety or overwhelm begin to weigh heavily. If you've gathered evidence of stalking, don't hesitate to report it to the police. It's important to remember that gang stalking is challenging to prove, so the more evidence you have, the better. Finally, arm yourself with knowledge. Educate yourself about gang stalking and understand the laws in your area. Knowing your rights and understanding the tactics used by stalkers are powerful tools in your defense. So, to recap, document everything, trust your instincts, strengthen your security, seek support, report incidents, and stay informed. Gang stalking is a crime that should never be taken lightly. If you feel in danger, don't hesitate to seek help and take these crucial steps to protect yourself. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it could be your best defense.